A lot of self-credit builder cards don't fail at activation because something is broken. They fail because the account isn't fully ready yet, even though the card already arrived. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to activate your self-card step by step, why activation sometimes doesn't work, and what to check so you don't get stuck at the final screen. First thing to know, self-card activation doesn't happen in isolation. It connects directly to your self-account status inside the app. If anything in your profile or verification is incomplete, the activation step will block or loop. Start by opening the Self app and checking your main dashboard. If you see any prompts about verification, identity steps or account setup still in progress, finish those first. Activation won't work properly until that part is clear. Next, find your physical card. It usually comes with instructions that point you back to the app or a web activation screen. Ignore random links or old emails and always go through the official Self app first. Now, the actual activation process. Open the app, go to your card section, and look for the Activate Card option. From there, you'll be asked to confirm your card details. This is usually things like the card number and security code printed on the card. Once you confirm the details, the system will link the card to your account. At that point, you may be prompted to set up a PIN if your card supports in-store or ATM-style transactions. If you see that option, complete it immediately so your card is fully usable. If activation fails, don't keep retrying over and over. That usually doesn't fix the issue. Instead, check 3 things. First, make sure your app is updated. Second, confirm your account isn't still under review or missing verification steps. Third, make sure you're entering the card details exactly as shown, without spacing or errors. Another common issue is trying to activate too early. In some cases, the card shows up before the system fully flips it to active status. If that happens, waiting a short time and trying again through the app usually resolves it. To sum it up, self-card activation depends on a fully verified account, using the official app path, and correctly entering your card details. Most problems come from unfinished setup or rushing the process. Next step, open your Self app now and check your account status before trying activation again. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear fixes on credit builder cards and financial apps.